Shifting our focus now to the big story that we are tracking at this hour, and this is a mega Times Now impact. After 3 days of relentless reportage and seeking accountability, finally Mihir Shah, the VVIP brat accused of mowing down Kaveri Nakhwa, has been arrested. The police say that he was hiding in a flat in Virar. His sister and mother, who too were missing, have been taken into custody. According to reports, they have been detained. Remember, on Sunday early morning, Mihir Shah allegedly crashed into a bike with Pradeep and Kaveri after Kaveri was flung into the air. Pradeep, the husband, claims that she landed on the bonnet of the car. After a few moments, he claims that instead of helping Kaveri and stopping the car accelerated and sped away. Then she allegedly got stuck in between the wheels and was dragged for 1.5 kilometers. Police claim that Mihir later switched seats with his driver, and his father, a Shiv Sena leader, arrived and advised his son to flee. Today, the husband of the victim asked why did it take 10 teams of Mumbai police 3 days to trace Mihir. He points out that there will be no trace of alcohol in his blood after so much time has passed. Let's in fact go across to Arunil now. Arunil, the husband is raising some very important questions. According to the investigation of the police and according to reports coming in, the father apparently advised the son to swap seats with the driver and put the entire blame on the driver. The victim's family says, who will give us justice? Because according to them, they are all hand in gloves.
Well, that is right. Basically, the victim's family, 45-year-old Kaveri Nakhwa's husband, Pradeep Nakhwa, basically is saying that why it took 3 days for the Mumbai police to arrest the main accused in this case. In fact, Pradeep Nakhwa also confirmed that fact that it was Mihir Shah, he was driving the car.
All right, Arunil, I'll have to interrupt you because Pradeep Nakhwa is joining us live on the broadcast. He's the husband of Kaveri, who was killed by Mihir Shah. Let me go across to Pradeep. प्रदीप जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। आपका दर्द मैं बांट तो नहीं सकती, लेकिन आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूं कि गिरफ्तारी अब हो चुकी है, क्या आप संतुष्ट हैं कि कार्रवाई सही हो रही है?
गिरफ्तारी तो हो ही है, मगर 3 दिन के बाद गिरफ्तारी हुई है। कैसे चलेगा बताओ? अगर वो अल्कोहलिक किया है, अगर वो नशा किया है, अगर वो दारू पिया है, तो वो 3 दिन के बाद पकड़ा जाता है। 3 दिन में उसका अल्कोहल रहता है क्या शरीर में? मेरे को एक बात बताइए। तो 24 घंटे में पकड़ा जाता है तो उसके शरीर में अल्कोहल मिलता है। अभी वो बोल रहा है मैं रेड बुल पिया है। हाँ, रेड बुल का बिल बार में 18,000 का आता है क्या? बताओ ना आप। हाँ, अगर वो अल्कोहलिक नहीं है तो पहले ही सस्पेंड होना मांगता था ना।
प्रदीप जी, आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जानबूझकर 3 दिनों तक उसको घुमाया गया या छुपाया गया और आज गिरफ्तारी दिखाई जा रही है?
बराबर है ना। अगर वो कुछ नेते उसके पीछे रहेंगे तो ही छुपाए जाएंगे ना। अभी वो उनका टीम इतना चला, 18 टीम चल के पुलिस लोगों का उनको मिल नहीं रहा है। आज कोई गरीब आदमी ने ऐसा किया होता तो पूरा उसके खानदान को उठा के लेके जाते, उनको बेल भी नहीं मिलता था। हाँ, वो बड़ा आदमी है, उसके पिताजी को कल ही छोड़ दिया और आज कैसे मिल गया वो? बताओ ना। आज तुरंत वो हाजिर हो गया, उसको पकड़ा नहीं गया है, वो हाजिर हुआ है और इधर दिखा रहे हैं वो पकड़ा गया। अभी बताओ आप, अगर वो पकड़ा जाता तो 24 घंटे में पकड़ा जाता। अगर उसने नशा नहीं किया होता तो वो खुद सिलेंडर हो जाता था। आज वो नशा करके 3 दिन गायब हो गया। हाँ, आज उसका नशा उतर गया, उसका शरीर का अल्कोहल उतर गया। आज वो खुला आया। अभी उसके पीछे 20-20 वकील होंगे। वकील क्या करेंगे? हम लोग गरीब है, कहां से वकील लाएंगे? कौन सा बड़ा वकील लाएंगे? हाँ, गृह मंत्री क्या कर रहा है? अगर ऐसा ही गरीब लोगों को जमीन से घींच के लेके जाएगा तो कैसे चलेगा?
लेकिन प्रदीप जी, जो मुख्यमंत्री अब तक बोल रहे थे कि इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन है या नहीं है, चाहे जो भी हो ये व्यक्ति, इसके खिलाफ हम सख्त कार्रवाई करेंगे, क्या आपको मुख्यमंत्री की उस बात पर भरोसा नहीं है?
ऐसा क्यों? मेरी बात सुनो
जी।
मुख्यमंत्री ने ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला कि 24 घंटे के हाथ में अंदर उसको अरेस्ट किए? क्यों नहीं बोला उसने?
क्या आपको प्रशासन से, मुख्यमंत्री के ऑफिस से या शिवसेना शिंदे सेना के किसी भी नेता की तरफ से क्या कोई फोन आपको आया जानने के लिए कि क्या हो रहा है इस वक्त, क्या आपको कोई मदद चाहिए?
वो लोग गरीब के लिए नहीं है, वो लोग गरीब के लिए नहीं है। अगर कोई बड़ा आदमी रहता ना, उसके घर में आए ना, धो धो के जाते सब मंत्री लोग, धो धो के उसके पीछे लगते थे मंत्री लोग। गरीब के घर पे कोई नहीं आने वाला है, ना एकनाथ शिंदे आने वाला है, ना देवेंद्र फडणवीस आने वाला है। वो गृह मंत्री के नाम पे कलंक है।
प्रदीप जी, उस दिन आपने क्या मिहिर को व्हील्स के पीछे देखा था? क्योंकि ये रिपोर्ट आ रही कि व्हील्स के पीछे मिहिर था, वो गाड़ी चला रहा था और उसके बाद एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद उसने ड्राइवर के साथ अपनी जगह बदल ली।
अभी जगह बदलेगा ही ना, वो क्या करेगा? खुद गाड़ी के चला, मैंने खुद नहीं देखा है उसको। मैंने जब बोनेट पे हाथ मारा तभी वो मेरे सामने दिखा था, गोरा सा था।
जब आपने बोनेट पे हाथ मारा उस वक्त आपकी जो पत्नी है कावेरी, क्या उस वक्त वो जिंदा थी? क्या उस वक्त वो दर्द में थी? आपकी बात हो रही थी उनसे?
जब हम बोनेट पे गिरे ना, तब मेरे औरत ने उसको गाली दिया। वो औरत ने उसको गाली दिया। उसके बाद में झटके से वो ब्रेक मारा ना, तभी गाली देके हम लोग नीचे गिर गया। फिर मैं उठा, वो चक्के के नीचे आ गई और मैंने उसको बोनेट पे हाथ मारा। वो रिवर्स नहीं लिया, वो जैसे मैं बोनेट पे हाथ मारा रुको रुको, वैसे वो घसीट के लेके चला गया
जानबूझकर। आप कह रहे हैं उसी वक्त रुक गया होता तो कावेरी की जान बच जाती?
उसी वक्त अगर उसने रिवर्स लिया होता ना, तो आज वो मरती नहीं थी और ये जो सवाल आप उठा रहे हैं ना, वो होते नहीं।
बिल्कुल, आपकी पत्नी जिंदा होती, आपके साथ होती अगर उस वक्त गाड़ी रोक दी होती, ऐसा आप कह रहे हैं। लेकिन अब जब गिरफ्तारी हो गई तो आपकी क्या मान है? क्या आपको भरोसा है कि न्याय होगा?
अभी देखो, अगर वो 3 दिन पहले गिरफ्तार होता ना, तो बराबर न्याय होता था। आज उसके पास पैसा है, उसके पास मिनिस्टर लोगों का पावर है। वो हम लोग क्या करेगा बताओ? गरीब आदमी क्या करेगा? उसके पास सब पावर है, पैसा पावर सब है उसके पास। हम लोगों के पास क्या है? हमारे पास कोई रोने वाला नहीं है, कोई मंत्री आने वाला नहीं है कि मैं तुमको सपोर्ट करता है, कोई आने वाला नहीं। आज गृह मंत्री अपना मुंह छुपा के बैठा है, कुछ बोलता नहीं है। गृह मंत्री कौन सा है तुम? हाँ, गरीबों के लिए हम लोग बने। कौन से गरीबों के लिए बने आप?
प्रदीप जी,
वोटिंग के लिए तुम लोग भीख मांगने के लिए आते हैं हमारे दरवाजे पे।
प्रदीप जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमसे बात करने के लिए। गिरफ्तारी हो गई है, लेकिन प्रदीप का कहना है कि उन्हें भरोसा नहीं है कि न्याय होगा। दैट वाज कावेरी's husband Pradeep Nakwa speaking live here on Times Now after the arrest of Mihir Shah. Let's open this up. Let's go across to our guests. We are joined by Krishna Hegde, Shiv Sena Shinde spokesperson. We also have Sajid Supariwala, Shiv Sena UBT leader, and Nirmal Kaur, former IPS. I want to begin with you, Krishna Hegde. It's not just the opposition. The husband of the victim, Pradeep Nakwa, husband of Kaveri Nakwa, who was killed in this accident, which is now many are calling is a murder, not a hit and run case, says he has no hopes. He is asking who's going to give him justice because he believes that the arrest, the delay in the arrest was deliberate.
No, I can understand Mr. Pradeep Nakwa's emotions and his feelings right now. But I must also tell you that the Mumbai police within 2.5 days has traced the accused and also put him behind bars. Not only that, his father was put behind bars, the driver was put behind bars, his mother and sister are called for questioning, and now even his partner has been called in for questioning. So I think the police is doing his job. I think Mr. Nakwa should have faith in the law. Even the Honorable Chief Minister said that everyone is equal before the eyes of the law. And it does not matter which party he is, whether he belongs to our party or to some other party. Justice has to be done, and it will be done. This case will be taken.
Rajesh Shah was released on bail. The mother and sister were also missing after this accident was reported. Now Pradeep Nakwa says, had it been a common man, that common man would have been arrested within 24 hours. Just because this individual is affiliated to a person who is a neta of the Shinde Sena, that's why he's been given this long rope.
See, we have 20,000 Karyakartas only in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, we have over 20 lakh Karyakartas. If someone's son has done anything, that does not come straight over to Mr. Shinde. However, his father, Rajesh Shah, has been part of the Shiv Sena. He's a local leader from Palghar. So we are taking the onus on that. But however said and done, no political interference will work here. Our Honorable Chief Minister and Devendra Fadnavis, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, have very clearly said that all are equal before the law and no one will be spared. This case will be taken on a fast track court. However, to club the entire police system or the entire political system and say that everyone is hand in glove and that's why this is happening, I don't think that is very fair enough. Even in the Pune case,
okay,
we have seen that
Sajid Supariwala. Sajid Supariwala.
One second. Let me Swati, just complete my point.
Okay.
We put the boy in jail. We put the father in jail. The grandfather in jail. The doctors in jail. Even in this case, the boy is gone to jail. The father is in jail. The sister and the mother are called for questioning. And even his partner has been called for questioning.
Okay.
So I don't think we have left any efforts in the case. The police also...
We made all efforts, says Krishna
2.5
Hegde.
years.
Sajid Supariwala, Krishna Hegde is saying we made all efforts to ensure that he is behind bars. He's been arrested now. And there is no question of political interference.
Justice denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. As everybody is aware of that. I just heard the father. He was saying that the person has been caught after 3 days of the accident. Whatever happened, it is a very sad situation. As Mr. Hegde has just said that nobody will be let go if political connections or not. We are not coming to that. We are just saying that why is justice being delayed? Why was the person not caught at the same time or after in a few hours? Why 3 days? What is the reason for the delay? And if anybody else would have been the victim, as per the father of the victim was saying, the husband of the victim was saying that my wife has been denied justice because the justice has been delayed. So this comes out to the point that Mr. Hegde, you are saying that nobody will be spared. Then why was the delay in the arrest of that accused?
Sajid
What
Supariwala.
was the reason for that?
Sajid Supariwala and Nirmal Kaur, stay on with us. Krishna Hegde, I'll come back to you. There are some breaking inputs that we are getting, and this is what our sources are telling us. According to our sources, as per the sources, as many as 12 people, including the mother and the sister of Mihir Shah, have been detained by the Mumbai police. They've been detained for helping Mihir to hide. Total 12 people detained and not arrested for helping Mihir Shah to hide. That's the update coming in. So mother and sister also detained now, along with 12 other people who helped him to hide. Let me go back to our guests. Nirmal Kaur, is it possible without help? Also, given the state machinery, given the intelligence, is it not possible to track down a culprit within 24 hours? That's a question that the victim's family is asking. Also alleging, had it been a common man, a common person, that person would have been arrested within 24 hours.
See, with the advent of technology, tracing the location has become easier. You know, the triangulation of the towers where the person is. But if a person is smart, he or she can outwit the police because they can keep changing locations, shut it off, or they may have more than one mobile, call from other people's mobiles, take out the SIM of their mobile, switch it off altogether. So they can hide. But I think technology has made it a lot easier to trace people, and lots of crimes have been solved by tracing the location of the mobiles. In this case, I'm sure the police must have tried it. Maybe the guy was too smart for them. He changed his mobiles or asked for someone else's mobile or used other people's mobiles. Or police did not have access to all those mobile numbers that he was using. So there are a number of possibilities. But yes, even with the most sincere of police, with the utmost sincerity also if the police functions, there is no guarantee that accused can be arrested within 24 hours.
Okay, Sajid Supariwala, take a comment on that. But of the many possibilities that you were talking about, Nirmal Kaur, one that has been confirmed is that people did help him to hide and they have been detained. Among them are also Mihir's mother and sister. And Arunil is getting us more details on that. So 12 people detained, which includes Mihir's mother and sister, who in fact were missing, isn't it, after this entire incident came to fore?
Well, that is right. Basically, 10 teams of the Mumbai police had launched this massive investigation to find where Mihir Shah was. And we understand that Mihir Shah has been arrested from Virar. With him, as many as 12 people have been detained by the team of Mumbai Police. These includes from these 12 people, it also includes the mother and the sister of Mihir Shah. These people, 12 people, have been detained for helping Mihir Shah to escape from the city and to hide at a certain flat in Virar, around 30 kilometers from the city of Mumbai. So basically, will they be tried as co-conspirators? What kind of sections will be imposed by Mumbai Police? We will be keeping a close eye on. But yes, after more than 30 hours, after 3 days, in fact, that this dastardly hit and run case that took place in Worli. In fact, the husband of the victim, Pradeep Nakwa, he's alleging that his wife has been murdered by Mihir Shah. Finally, the main accused, Mihir Shah, has been arrested, and with him, 12 other of his family members, people known to him, have been detained for helping him.
Right. Let me go back to Krishna Hegde. Krishna Hegde, you were talking about the Pune Porsche case. In the Pune Porsche case, the political link came to fore. The name of Sunil Tingre came to fore. Here, the father himself is a Shiv Sena Neta. And you know, when you get reports confirming that mother and sister have been detained amongst people who helped him hide, how can one possibly believe that the father had no idea where Mihir Shah was?
Firstly, the Pune case is a little different from here. Even in the Sunil Tingre, when he went to the police station, it was because the accident happened in his constituency, and therefore, as a responsible MLA, he had gone to the police station to inquire what this kind of big accident has happened. Secondly, in this case, this culprit or this youth must be, absconding anywhere in the country. But the police has done a good job and got him in 2.5 days.
Good job.
I think
after 3 days, they are arresting the guy.
No, why
he
could be, so in 2.5, suppose he
GPS is not there.
Anywhere in the country and out of the country.
Signals are not working.
No, what signals are working? Are you smart enough to know that you can switch off the mobile and remove? Did you hear the former IPS officer speaking about it?
Minimal call, he just said.
Talk with a bit of intelligence there. Just don't argue for the case of arguing. Look at this matter sensitively. Look at this matter sensitively. There is no point in arguing over this.
Of course it is. It is definitely a very serious matter.
Have some intellectual before you talk.
1 minute. Sajid ji, 1 minute. Let him respond. I'll come to you for a counter. Let him respond.
Yeah. See, first of all, Sajid should have some intellectual. The IPS officer said anyone can switch off the mobile throughout the same or use other mobiles. So obviously, if that guy was smart enough, he's absconding, and he could be absconding anywhere in the country.
Are you admitting that he outsmarted the police officials? He's also asking questions about the CCTV footage, tracing of the CCTV footage to ascertain where he exactly was hiding.
Secondly, let me assure him that Mr. Nakwa, that the government is with him. And we have taken stern and quick action in the matter, and we will take the case to its logical end. And therefore, whatever action has to be taken, whether it's family members or they have been arrested, detained, and they are under questioning. So the government is with him. So let him have faith in the government, the law, and the judiciary, and I'm sure he will get justice. However, let me also say that it is not the Shinde government which gives bail. It is the courts which give bail. We are booking them. We are putting them in jail.
We are not talking about the
Pune case.
Let me come back to this.
You answer when your turn comes. Have some at least.
Okay, I have to wrap up. But Krishna Hegde, like I said, it's not just the opposition. The victim's family is also asking the same question and alleging that the delay in arrest is deliberate. You spoke about Sunil Tingre. You left out the information that there were multiple phone calls that happened between the father and Sunil Tingre. In this case, of course, the cops will have to connect the dots, but the big question is on the delay in arrest, and that's where the family believes that an attempt was made to cover up. Thank you very much, Mr. Hegde, Sajid Supariwala, and Nirmal Kaur for joining us in the broadcast.